Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to see your money in Bigo Live. Alright, so if you are using Bigo Live and you've received some gifts during your life, that means you've earned some money. So I'm going to show you how you can actually see your money in Bigo Live in today's video. So let's get started. The first step to take guys is to open your Bigo Live application and then log into your account. After that, click on the me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Alright, so you see all these options right here. So we are going to click on wallets. Alright, so once you click on your wallets, you'll notice two tabs at the top of your screen, the diamonds and the beans. So go ahead and click on beans. Alright, so once you click on that, you're going to see your current beans. So right now I have 19 beans. So if you want to see your money equivalent of these beans, just click on the bar data option. And then if you do that, you will notice this option right here at the top. Go ahead and click on more. At the top right corner, you see this more option. Tap on more, and from here you see your money equivalent. So the equivalent of 19 beans is 0.091 cents. All right, so that's it. So that's how you can actually see your money on Bigo Live. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.